Hello everyone, we'll be taking a white sheet and then we have to write a letter 6 and then draw the lines further as shown in the video. So draw the face of the puppy, make its nose and then we have to make its mouth like this which he's holding a bone. Now we have to make the legs of the dog, make its tail on the back, make its eyes and then you can color it as per choice and it's done. Next write a letter 6 and then we have to draw the lines further. Now make the eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Make its ears. Now we have to make the legs of the kitty. Make its tail on the back and make the lines on it like this. Make the patterns and your kitty is ready. I hope you liked it. You can make some grass or mat near it like this on which he's sitting. Now you can make a house over it and make a sun on the top as well. And it's done. I hope you liked it. You can also make some birds and clouds near it. Next we have to take a white sheet and draw the lines over it like this and make the long ears of the bunny. So you can see how we have double lined the ears. Now make its eyes, nose and the mouth as shown in the video. So now after that we'll be making the body of the bunny like this. So make its legs and hands, complete its body, make its tail on the back like this. After that we'll be coloring it and it's done. Next we have to make the lines like this. Now turn the paper and then make the nose of the piggy, make its eyes and the mouth of it. Now you have to make its body, make its ears and then make the body of it like this. Now after that we have to make its hands and legs, make its tail on the back like this. Now after that color it and it's done. Next we have to take a white sheet and draw the pattern like this or make the letter 6 like this and then we have to join to make the body of the snake. So you can see how we have overlined it like this. We have double lined and make its tail like this, make the patterns over its body as shown in the video and it's done. I hope you liked it. You can color it if you want. Next you have to draw two circles like this and then again draw upper circle like this. Now make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its ears like this on the top. Now after that we have to make its nose. Now make its mouth like this. Now we have to draw the legs of the bear. Make its hands as well. Now you can make a tail on the back of it and then color it and it's done. Next we have to write the pattern like this or just draw it as shown in the video. Now make the hairs on the back of it. Make its legs, make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its hands and legs as shown here. Now you can color it and make some ears, hairs around it like this and it's done. Next we have to take a white sheet and then we'll be writing the letter 3 over it and then again a big 3. Now make the face of the monkey, make its eyes, nose and the mouth, make its ears, complete the body, make its leg and then we have to join the tail on the back of it like this. Now after drawing the tail you can color it. Next we have to write the digit 3. Now extend the lines like this to make the mouse. Make its eyes, ears, nose and then you can color it and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.